I'm Derek Eklum, Client Sales Representative here at Foundation Software, and today I'd like to walk you through our Procore integration tool. We'll get started by taking a look at the screen here, which shows a series of features on the left-hand side, and then items that appear in Foundation, items that appear in Procore, and then on the right-hand side are items that are linked together. Now, let me explain really what this product is all about. This is really a bridge between the two systems and allows data to tie and push and sync back and forth between each other. As you see on the left-hand side, there are items such as employees, departments, vendors, cost codes, those types of records. And the whole idea of this product is to keep the two systems synced up together. For example, if I come over into the middle here, it'll show Foundation vendors on this side, Procore vendors on the right-hand side. And if there are already vendors that are linked together, in that they already exist in both systems, you'll see those all the way over here on the right-hand side. And this is just a simple tool to make sure that really your project management department is in sync with your accounting department there in the office. So what you can do is on either side, hover over a record, and you can always hide a record. Maybe it should never exist on the other side. Or what you can do is go ahead and click on that record, and then you can create a brand new one, or you can link it to an existing record that's already tied between the two systems. So that's really the main idea with this product. Now, other features besides employees, departments, vendors, cost codes, and jobs, among others here, are some areas within this project control section. And this helps this be really a robust integration tool between the two programs. The idea with the project control section is where you really start to get into more daily types of transactions. What I can do is come into a job record, open that up, and you'll see other areas that this will integrate. What I always tell everybody is that this tool helps to integrate the two softwares really wherever it makes sense. So some of these other features include budgets, direct cost information, change orders, commitments, and also commitment change orders. So as you can see, this is really a robust tool that helps our customers keep everything synced together between the two systems. To see more of how Foundation can help your business simplify complex accounting tasks, schedule a live demo by clicking on the video link on the screen in the description below, or by calling the number on the screen. Thank you.